So in business, I think challenges come every day, and I think the most important value one has to consider is resilience,
Right.
grit, and determination. I think our country has been excellent in terms of manufacturing, in terms of various industries. But I think in the future, as we go ahead, we will build a lot more of creativity, innovation, inventors. I think each one of us have to keep learning, upgrading our own skills, and never become comfortable with what you have already.
Hi, I'm Anubhav from Bharat 2.0 Conclave, an initiative by Business Viewpoint and the Enterprise World magazine. Today on the red carpet, I have here with me Mr. Sujay Jairaj. Hi, sir. A very
Anubhav.
warm welcome.
Thank you very much, Anubhav.
Thank you, sir. So, my first question for you is how was the experience at Bharat 2.0 Conclave and what makes this conclave different from the rest that you've attended so far?
I think it was absolutely excellent meeting various people from diverse industries, the quality of conversations, and just an eye opener when you think about what's happening in the future. And it's a lot of learning.
Amazing. So, what do you think is your toughest lesson that you've learned throughout your business journey?
So in business, I think challenges come every day, and I think the most important value one has to consider is resilience,
Right.
grit, and determination. Because with challenges, with failures, you learn, you come back stronger, and keep performing. So basically, never give up.
Excellent. And sir, how do you think these lessons have shaped your leadership style or leadership philosophy?
Firstly, I think it's given me an overall perspective of what one expects in terms of achievement in life. And secondly, it's about discipline and consistency.
Right.
So I believe that I have grown as a person through all the experiences that I've undertaken.
Wow, that was a great answer. Uh, what is that one opportunity in Bharat that people are still underestimating?
I think the biggest strength and opportunity in Bharat, India, is human capital. I think the number of young population in terms of percentage that we have is largest in the world,
Right.
and there's tremendous opportunities as we go ahead.
Perfect. Uh, so, what are your predictions when it comes to Bharat? Let's say in 5 to 10 years from now.
I think our country has been excellent in terms of manufacturing, in terms of various industries. But I think in the future, as we go ahead, we will build a lot more of creativity, innovation, inventors. And I think India will be leading the world in not only in manufacturing, but also in building entrepreneurs
Right.
and innovation.
Excellent, sir. Moving on to the next round, which is our rapid fire questions. Uh, so, one overrated and underrated leadership quality, according to you.
I think overrated would be overconfidence, because I think that's what brings someone down in the future. Underrated would be discipline and consistency.
Right. Perfect. Which is that one go-to movie or web series that you love to watch whenever you're free?
In terms of web series, for me, it is The Last Dance. And in terms of movie, it would be The Secretariat, which is about the owner of this horse who made it
Yes.
the best in the world.
Perfect. That was a great pick, sir. One leader you'd love to have coffee with someday.
So I would love to meet Mr. Ajit Doval. I have been very fortunate to have a coffee with Mr. Modi. So that's why I'm naming Mr. Ajit Doval, who I have not met yet. But I think negotiation strategies, strategies for growth, communication, I think he has done it all for Bharat and India as a country. So I would love to meet him and understand his perspective for our country.
Excellent. One reason leaders should attend Bharat 2.0 conclave.
I think each one of us have to keep learning, upgrading our own skills, and never become comfortable with what you have already. So when you come for these conferences, you get to learn about what's happening in the world, you get to learn about yourself, and you get to plan where you want to be in the future.
Perfect. Sir. Amazing. Lastly, one piece of advice to new leaders and entrepreneurs who are trying to make an impact in the industry.
So I would say dream big, be very humble, work very hard, and never give up.
Perfect. That was some great advice, sir.
Okay.
And thank you
you
so
very
much for your time, sir.
Thank
It
you,
was
Anubhav.
great talking to you.
Thank you.